this is Laura Field. Hot flippin' mess. Look at my hair. It's definitely a hot flippin' mess. I am back at the house where we worked on the pantry, and we left this cabinet because it's original to the house. And I'm just doing like some touch-up paint on the walls around like a little bit of caulking and a couple screw holes that needed to be filled in. And then I'm going to do touch-up paint on the actual shelves because we painted them as boards, but this needs to be painted. And I'll probably do a little sanding so this edge isn't going to poke anybody. But I think the white goes really nice with this. And then the purple and gray I like a lot. I think white brackets would have been too stark. So, don't mind this. This is just the light switch flapping me in the face. And that's Ruby. That's my other kitty that's the one that was here the other day. But anyway, what I'll be doing is that, whoa. And then, I was actually hired to help clean up around here. So, once I get that done, I'll be taking all that stuff and putting it in its rightful place with the owner's approval, of course. And cleaning up the kitchen, but I won't be showing that. I'll just be showing this because this is a privacy thing. So I will show you some stuff as I do it. So, update on this little pantry guy. I found out that the shelves all come out. There was this nasty laminate stuff and all that nasty wallpaper. So the laminate was on the shelves, which are here, which I'm going to take to my house and paint with this. And then we're going to do the inside gray and see how that looks. So that is a project that just kind of fell into my lap, but I couldn't let it be because we already started in here and I didn't want it to look like garbage. So, I'll show you some progress with this too. Okay. The shelves out of the pantry that was next to what we built yesterday. And I'm basically going to scrape off all of this junk and clean them off and then paint them with the same paint, the same cabinet enamel that we used on those shelves that we built yesterday. And then I will show you what I end up doing with the inside of the cabinet as well. So yeah, I think what I'll do is I'll do some of this stuff off camera because it's really not that interesting. And then I will show you guys how I put it together. And that'll be in tomorrow's video. So this is pretty much the end of what I'll be doing today. I might add a little bit of like speed painting or whatever, or speed scraping, just so you see what I can do. And actually I will probably do that, but it'll be when I clean it up. As far as the scraping, I'm just going to kind of scrape down any of the nasty stuff that's on here, like some of this paint. And then I'll take and put a coat on, and then what I'll do is probably sand it down like I do with all the paint that I do, and go from there. So you might see some speed painting or cleaning, but other than that, this will be the end of me talking at you. So enjoy what's left of the video, and if you like what you see so far, comment, like, subscribe, anything you do, share. It gets it out there, and I'm only adding content daily now because I don't have like furniture that I'm finishing yet, so I just have too much other stuff. So here is just one coat of paint on the side of these, well, 3 of them anyway, that just had that messy paint. Looks smooth. It's gonna level out. It's gonna look great. Okay, welcome to day, I have no idea, of the cabinet slash furniture slash hot mess project. Woo! So this should be the day that you're gonna see the full progress of the pantry. For now, I'm just gonna show you some shelves that I painted. So these are the shelves for the pantry that I pulled out of that one thing. But then also off camera, look at this drawer. This is that one that the Formica was showing. So I ended up painting the inside so it's all white, and then it's all white on the outside. So that, stay tuned for that too. Off camera, this is what I did to the inside of this pantry. And then the shelves will go back in, so it'll be this dark gray and then the white shelves. So we're gonna get that put together, and I will take a few pictures. Here is the mostly finished results with the touch-ups. And then with that painted gray on the inside, the shelves repainted. And then we took out the one cabinet and replaced it with that utility shelf for all the cleaning stuff. And I cleaned up the window. I touched that up. I have a little bit of glass to clean up. And that's it. Oh, and then I touched up the ends so they're white. All the ends are white now, and there's a lot of room. These shelves are just carrying a little bit still. So that's